Welcome to today's herbal tea guide, where we'll be discussing 7 powerful herbal teas for cold and flu relief. These teas can help boost your immune system, soothe your throat, and provide quick relief from common cold and flu symptoms. 1. Gingerdia. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and antiviral, making it an excellent ingredient for cold and flu relief. To make ginger tea, steep 1 to 2 ginger slices in hot water for about 5 minutes. Add a splash of honey for a sweetener, and sip on several cups throughout the day. 2. Peppermintia. Peppermint is known for its soothing effects on the respiratory system, making it a great addition to a cold and flu remedy. To make peppermint tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried peppermint leaves in hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain and add a splash of lemon juice for a bit of tartness. Sip on several cups throughout the day. 3. Limonia. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for boosting your immune system and fighting off infections. To make lemon tea, cut a lemon in half and steep the slices in hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy several cups throughout the day. 4. Hot chocolatidia. Warmth and comfort are just 2 words that come to mind when thinking about hot chocolate tea. To make this tea, pour 1 cup of boiling water over 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a teaspoon of honey. Stir well and enjoy. 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is known for its soothing and calming effects on the body, making it an excellent herb for cold and flu relief. To make chamomile tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain and enjoy several cups throughout the day. 6. Lavender tea. Lavender has a calming and soothing effect on the mind and body, making it an excellent addition to a cold and flu remedy. To make lavender tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried lavender flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain and add a splash of honey for a sweetener. Sip on several cups throughout the day. 7. Hot apple cider tea. Mild and soothing. Hot apple cider tea can help you feel better and even boost your immune system. To make this tea, pour 1 cup of boiling water over 1 tablespoon of dried apple cider vinegar. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy several cups throughout the day. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or herbal tea regimen.